Okay guys, in this lecture we will see the append mode, right? So we discussed in the initial lectures that we had a read mode, a write mode, and finally an append mode. So read mode will only read the files for you, no more writing permitted. Write mode can only write to the files, but it will blank all the contents before writing. Finally, we have an append mode. Okay, so what does append mode do? Append will basically add it to the file. So it's like a write mode, but it does not blank the file. Okay, it's a write mode, but it will not blank the file. It will add contents to the file. Okay, so just see there are two files here, input.txt having India is my country, and I have a student.txt, right? So what I will do, I will take all the contents of student.txt and append. Remember the word append it to input.txt. So what will happen when I do a control A, control C, and I do an append here? So this will be my output for the file. Okay. We'll look how this happens. So let us keep this as the original files only. First, let us execute the code. Let us run the code and we say enter the file name to open for reading. So what we are reading? We are reading student.txt because we want to read this and write it or append it to the another file. So I will say student.txt. Now it is asking me enter file name to append to the content. See, file name to append. So I want to append an input.txt. Be very specific regarding the case. Right now it says content in student.txt. Right? What was the content in student.txt? These names and marks are appended to input.txt. Let us go and look. So you see, India is my country is there. And now just see this. It had 12 lines. So these are the 12 lines. Okay, and the blank space at the last. Right? So you see how this has happened. So input.txt basically I will open in the append mode. See, under the file name for reading is student. So student you will open in read mode. Enter the file name to append it is input.txt. Now let us come to the code. So we have two file pointers, right? Because appending requires usually you can append in the same file or you can also work with two files. Okay, so I'm taking two file pointers fp1 and fp2. Then I say enter the file name for opening. So what did I give? Student.txt. So scanf I'm using %s for string fname1. So fname1 will contain student.txt. Now it says open one file for reading which says fp1 is equal to fopen fname1 in read mode. What did fname1 contain? Student.txt. So it is opening in read mode because anyways we just need to read and write it to or append it to another file. If fp1 equal to null, right? So the standard loop that I say, if it is null then you exit the program. Now enter the file to append the content. Enter file to append the content is input.txt, right? So now you just observe fname2 will be input.txt, but see the mode. The mode here is A. R is read, W is write. Write will blank the file. A is append. So what does append do? Append will take the cursor to the last line and the last character of the file. What write will do? It will erase everything and take it to the starting position. What append will do? If you have 1000 lines in the file, it will read all 1000 lines and go in the last. So you can insert at the last. Right now you may ask that if you want to insert something at the middle position, that we will look in the next lecture. But right now append will append to the end of the file only. Again fp2 is null, standard loop that I said. We just check for the nullity. And now what I am saying, see, I am reading the contents of the file. What I am reading? fp1. What was fp1? fp1 was open the file name for reading. Now I am reading student.txt. And how I am reading? I am reading it character by character. You can also read it string by string, f gets, right? That is also fine. But till where I am reading till I reach the end of the file. Now you just see, I am reading, sorry, I am copying the character read into fp2. What was fp2? fp2 was my append file name, which was input.txt. So I am putting whatever I am reading, and see what does C store? C stored something from FP1. FP1 was student.txt, right? FP1 was the read mode, which was for reading student.txt. So I read every character from student.txt, store in FP2, then read the next character. This goes on till I reach the end of the file, right? So finally, when I reach the end of the file, content is appended and I close both the file pointers, right? So append mode is really, really easy. Okay, so there are few other combinations like fseek, ftell and all where you can actually modify the exact positions. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. So once you know the write mode, append mode is very similar. It also writes, but it does not erases. So remember that append is used for updating files. Okay, write is used for fresh writing, read is used for only reading, append is used for updating the file. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you.